This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a Stratton Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, external shower, Slideout, TV antenna, awning, stove top burner, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, self-contained, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle with OnGuard Collision System chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.